Welcome to this Google Apps screencast where we'll show students how to complete a turn-in form for an assignment in Google Drive. So here I am as a student. I've been working on this science paper that I want to turn in. I make sure that the assignment is named correctly, including my class hour, my last name, and whatever the assignment is. I have to put this assignment in the turn-in folder that is shared to my teacher, so that way my teacher will be able to see this file. I can do that if I'm working in the assignment by clicking on the little folder icon up here. I can click on folder and choose the turn-in folder. So this is for my science class, so I would check box this folder and hit apply changes. If you're out in the main Google Drive area where you see all your files, you can also turn it in by checkboxing the file, going up to the little folder, and the same thing here, choosing the folder that you want to assign that file to. Either way will work. But most importantly, you have to get that file into that folder. Once that's done, if your teacher has asked you to fill out a turn-in form, after the file's in the folder, you have to go into the file and you have to copy the web address. So if you're working in Chrome, you can just do a single click up here on the web address or the URL for this document. It should highlight everything so you don't have to drag over it or run the risk of not selecting any of the characters or letters that are up there. So I've highlighted. I go to Edit Copy, or I can do my shortcut keys on the keyboard. If it's a Mac, I can do Command C, or if it's a Windows machine, I can do Control C. So that web address is now copied. Then you have to navigate to your teacher's turn-in form. This might be on your teacher's website. They might have emailed you the link to the form, or they put it somewhere where they showed you how to hopefully get to that form so that you can complete this form. So filling out this form, you just fill out the fields that are asked for. So I put in I'll put a fake name here so I remember to delete this later. So first name, last name. Maybe you have to choose what hour you have that particular class. And one of the questions might ask, what is that particular assignment? Make sure you choose that assignment, and you'll see why here in a minute. One of the questions will ask you to paste that URL, that web address, for your document. So I'm going to click in the box and do a paste. I can do my shortcut keys, either Command V on the Mac to paste, or I can do Control V if I'm using a Windows computer. And that web address should go in there. And then you click Submit. And now you've turned in your assignment, or you've told your teacher this assignment is done, it's ready to be looked over. What this does on the back end is all of those links are turned into one spreadsheet. So for the teacher can come in here and find students by name, by class hour, and actually click on the link to go right to that file. This makes it nice and easy and organized. Another way that this works really well is if the teacher has the spreadsheet open, goes up to View, List. This shows the spreadsheet and list view where there's these drop-down menus here at the top. So if you wanted to sort by a particular assignment, you could, and then all of those assignments will group together. If I also wanted to sort by a certain class hour, maybe I specifically want to look at third hour for this assignment, now all of the links that come up are only for my third hour students turning in that assignment. Makes it really neat and efficient, and the teacher will be able to go through and look at your assignments a lot quicker. So if your teacher's asked you to fill out a turn-in form, that's what the process looks like. And if you have any questions, please follow up with your teacher. Thank you so much for watching.